Semiconductor Packaging. John D. Thomas, Alex Ruth. Book 5, Section 2, Chapter 4, Topic 1, Part 2.
Importance of process control systems. Process control systems play a critical role in semiconductor packaging manufacturing, offering several benefits. A. Enhanced product quality. PCs maintain tight control over process parameters, minimizing variability and defects in packaged devices, leading to higher product quality and reliability. B. Improved efficiency. By automating process monitoring, regulation, and optimization, PCs increase manufacturing efficiency, reduce cycle times, and enhance overall productivity. C. Cost reduction. PCs help identify process inefficiencies, optimize resource utilization, and minimize material wastage, resulting in cost savings and improved profitability. D. Compliance and traceability. PCs ensure compliance with regulatory requirements, industry standards, and customer specifications, while also providing traceability and documentation of process parameters and product quality. Challenges and future trends. Despite their numerous benefits, process control systems face several challenges, including system complexity, integration issues, data security concerns, and the need for continuous calibration and maintenance. Future trends in PCs include the adoption of advanced analytics, artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning (ML) techniques for predictive maintenance, anomaly detection, and adaptive process control. In conclusion, process control systems (PCs) are indispensable tools in semiconductor packaging manufacturing, enabling precise monitoring, regulation, and optimization of production processes. Through their functions, components, applications, and importance, PCs contribute to enhanced product quality, improved efficiency, cost reduction, and compliance with industry standards, driving innovation and advancement in the semiconductor packaging industry. Thanks for watching.
Please like, share, and subscribe.